In the last episode we killed Rashal and Killa. Now is the time to hunt Shturman. He's known for being an apex predator, a very good marksman that will put you down. Nah, he's just a random dude that is wearing a big jacket in the middle of a summer and hiding in the woods with his weird friends. Man, you get a weapon case and a big sniper for killing him 25 times. You will not have a single chance. He's so smart that he's even spawning in the same place over and over again. So I took my friends with me and we started a hunting trip.
Sugar in the morning!
Gun and armor.
Which
Oh,
I'm
now
only doing because I'm a nice
I'm
guy.
fine.
Shturman is here, I saw him.
Really?
Oh, I'm getting shot at?
Get down.
Get down. Get up.
Enemy in the grey hole?
Oh shit.
They're in the grey warehouse?
Yeah.
Okay, let's push. You mean the grey big one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see you, I see you.
He just stepped on.
Are you nading or are they nading?
Oh, I died.
Oh, there's a player at the red hole. The left one. First one on the left.
Okay. Will we get down and in and get dirty or what?
Man, I have a Mosin.
Well, stay here then. I'm gonna go. Stay here then. I'm gonna go. Ah! Okay, I'm by the huts now. Shturman. Me?
I can see Shturman.
Okay, I'm by those cabins, okay?
Oh, I see him.
Shturman is not there, man.
I killed him.
Dead. Yeah, you killed.
Yeah, I killed Shturman.
There's one more. There's one more Shturman guy behind the fence.
No!
Oh my god.
And this is why you don't snipe from an open field.
I'm trying to sprint out my whole stamina bar to max endurance.
Guys, what do you think about buying SGT labs when we go here?
No,
I
you
don't
can do
need
it if you want, but I'm not gonna do it.
I can do it if you don't want to, because I need to wait here.
No, but it's good, Eric. You should use that as well.
It's so expensive.
It's 30k, I'll buy you one.
No, it's 50k.
Okay, I'll buy you.
It's
No, man.
60k.
Okay, I'll buy you.
I have in my stash. for you.
200k.
Fuck off.
I have it in my stash, man. A lot of
If you
them.
do that,
Oh shit! It's on the rocks. Two guys. I died.
I killed one.
I shot them in the fucking.
One is dead. One more.
Oh, I don't have a nade. I don't have a nade. I got my pistol out. Are you dead, Raisa?
Yes.
I throw the nade at them.
To the right, to the right. He's to the right.
Right of the rocks.
Come on, to the right of this rock. Yeah, close. Okay, I'm moving wide right now, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm by the right side of the rock now.
Stand still, stand still. Jump, jump. It was in, fuck.
Still on them.
Come on, help, help, help.
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead, he's dead.
No, he's not dead.
Okay, kill him, kill him.
I can't
He's coming for
fucking
me, he's
shoot
gonna
him.
kill me.
I can't. He ran away.
Dude!
He killed you.
Yes!
Oh,
Are you just sitting there?
no, I was shooting after him, but I missed him.
With a fucking pistol, dude.
I suck him, man. No, I'm going for him.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Shut up.
I did 69 damage
Shut
to
up.
the first guy.
Oh, I no. So nice.
Bring a fucking pistol, you lazy ass. You're like, we're dying because you don't have a fucking pistol with you.
Ooh, I think I see Shturman.
Are you gonna kill Shturman this raid too? I'm gonna fucking flip out.
Oh my god, I don't believe it.
Oh, yeah, it's Shturman.
I hope you die so bad.
Hello there.
I didn't want to say it, but I hope he dies as well.
I hit him once, but he ran.
Yeah, man, it's hard to kill him.
Wait.
I just hope to die.
I hope he makes this.
No, man, just fuck.
I killed him.
You piece of shit. I don't believe it, man. I don't believe it, man. Oh, man.
Wait, only a quarter of my viewers are subscribed to my channel. Did you like the video so far? If yes, please don't be shy and hit the subscribe button.
Understand.
Oh shit,
You know?
there is somebody sniping.
Oh, yeah, I just got sniped at.
Let's get the fuck out. Oh shit, there's sniping.
Where is he
at-
shooting at?
Possibly dickhead, but I think it's on top of the mountain.
Oh, so
Yeah,
it's all the way on the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll try to snipe him with my big scope.
Okay, good luck. Come on, you're gonna get fucking shot in the head. Wait. Where did you go?
Left. In
I
the
see them.
forest.
Okay, well we
I
have
see
to
them,
push
there are two
back.
guys.
I have to push back.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't see them. How far left are they, bro?
Me neither. Man.
Left side, like left this side.
Leftist side?
Yeah,
How are they not shooting back at you?
because they are pretty afraid.
Don't see them though.
No, I don't see them either. I have no idea.
I don't see them anymore.
Man, but how the fuck are you seeing him? I don't.
He knows where they are.
Man, what the fuck? I don't
gonna
see them
shoot
at
again.
all.
Oh, I see him.
Fuck, I
Oh.
missed. I see him. His glasses glow, dude. You
Yeah.
can fucking see him
Hey,
because of
where?
his glasses.
Well, man, but I don't see them.
Come on, can you
They're still
come on, look through your scope at where they are. I'm gonna fire, okay? Tell me if I'm right, okay?
Okay, shoot. You hit the...
No,
know,
it's not
you
9.
pick-
It's not 9.
you-
I just shot 9. It's definitely more like 10.
Guys, somebody's coming towards you, guys. Somebody's coming towards
Behind
you.
or from front?
I kill him.
Good shot.
You killed him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't going back to sniping.
Man, but I don't. I still don't see him because of the trees. I only see vegetation.
He's not there anymore.
Okay.
Oh, he's there. He's there. He's still there. I think he saw me. Yeah, he's looking right at me.
Well, I don't see him now, come on.
Oh, somebody's running
Oh, I see him.
below me.
That was Raisa running. Is he
Below
still-
you.
No, two guys coming
I'm
from
coming.
the shore.
I'm coming.
They're right at the rock.
Okay.
Two guys, they are wearing red armbands.
Okay,
I
I'm
don't
gonna
have
nade
much
him.
more ammo, man.
I'm nading.
Me too.
More to the left, Raisa, more to the left.
Oh.
One's dead.
I'm pushing down.
They are dead.
One is dead here.
Yeah.
Where's the other guy? We shouldn't. Oh, here's the other guy. He's dead. Oh, he's alive. Okay, he's dead.
Oh, those guys are still there? They are picking again? I killed him!
No.
I killed him!
No.
Oh!
Yes. Okay, I'm going to loot. So what do you guys want to do now?
Shturman.
Yeah, right. I know, but searching.
Man, you can't see shit.
People in the great hall?
Shturman, is that Shturman?
I think I killed them.
No,
That's
I
fucking
think-
Shturman, man.
Really?
He was Shturman. I saw his jacket, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Shturman.
I saw his jacket, man.
Fuck, I just
Yeah,
don't
it's
scope
Shturman.
him. I shot him again. I don't know where he went. Oh, dude, don't get closer, man. We have bad guns for that.
I killed him.
Of course. Shoot me in the head, man.
No, of course Camau gets to kill him. Every time, this lucky bastard. He's so
Fucking
lucky.
bitch.
It's amazing.
Yeah, man. I shot him in the head as well.
I'm going for the loot.
Oh no, be very sad if somebody shot you in the back of the head.
It would be very sad.
I died, fuck. I know nobody came from behind.
Well, no, not yet. They can come at any moment. Right in front of you.
Yeah,
He's dead.
it was a scav though.
No, it was not.
Oh no, it was a player.
Who killed him?
You killed him.
Ah! Careful, there might be more. I'm glad he missed. No! The scav started moving. There's one more further away, dude.
Clean it. The scav is going to kill me if you don't kill him.
I can't hit him. He's pushing you. Wait, where is he going? He's hiding behind the car. Oh, just threw a nade. Run.
I can't! Whew, not today, buddy. Today was great success.